Hi Crafty Friends, this is Sylvia. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we're going to do an unboxing. Okay, it's from Diamond Art Club and is this called Butterfly Beauty by Christina Lorre. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's a square, okay, and it's you can see it always comes, the boxes always come with, oh, let me remove the sticker here. The boxes always come with a plastic. I just basically removed it. It's a very shiny box. Let's turn this way over here so you can see that. And in the back of the box is the instructions. And over here it has a scan me so you can unlock for 10%. Okay, so let's open this beauty. So it's a new kit, so because it's got the new kit, toolkit. There goes a sticker for the logbook. And the canvas. Anything else in here? Okay, guess that's it. Alrighty. So here's the little sticker that goes in the logbook. Okay, she's gorgeous, guys. It's called Butterfly Beauty. And the shape of the drill is a square, and the size is 20 by 25, which is 51 centimeters by 64 centimeters. All right, let's look at the toolkit. Okay. Ooh, look at this. It's got a nice pink tweezers, very sharp. Cool. Okay, it's got a, I don't know if I've seen this, a yellow pen. Okay. It's got the Ziploc baggies if you want to put your drills in there, if you don't have any containers. Some people like them. And oh, look how pretty this washi tape is, guys. Let's open this so you can see it a little better. Wow, it's very pretty. See that? It's gorgeous. Okay. And then of course it's got the wax container in the shape of a heart. It's got two in there. I love these little containers. Very cool. And of course, look at how cute this is, guys. I love cover reminders. And look at this. It's a beautiful flower. Beautiful blue flower. And like I mentioned, it's got the yellow pen, the tweezers. I call these a scrunchie, but they're for the pen. It's called a comfort grip, so your hands won't hurt. Okay, and then it's got this beautiful tray. Look how nice that is. It has like it's a little shiny. See that? Little shiny specks. And of course, this is to cover when you have, so the drills won't. I guess I don't know which way it goes, but this is a stopper. See that? So it prevents the drills from spilling. Okay. And two placers. Very nice. Love the new toolkits. All right, so let's open this baby up. So in here we've got the sticker. Actually, those are the instructions. Those are the drills and the big sticker. Oh my God, she's gorgeous. Okay. All right. They all come. Says thank you for your purchase with the instructions. So if you're a beginner, all right, and then you get 20% off of your first purchase through the app using this. That's pretty cool. And like I mentioned before, it comes with a big sticker, and a little sticker. So you can use whatever you want to use for your logbook. But look at this. Look how beautiful she is, guys. Okay, so here you put your start date and the end date. And it comes with individual stickers that are already pre-cut, which is pretty cool. And I believe it has 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. Anyway, let's look at it. Let's look at this beauty. Look at all the drills. Wow. And this is new, guys, which I love. Just in case if you want to separate them, and when you put them away, you want to put the canvas with the other canvases and the drills in a drill basket. It comes already with a name on it. You don't have to write it, so that's cool. All right, and of course, like always, the canvas from Diamond Art Club is soft, soft, soft like butter. I love it. I think might be the softest canvas I've from Diamond Art Club. Love them. Okay. Let me roll her this way. I'm excited about this one, guys. Actually, I'm excited about all of them, but this one is like, I love this one. Okay. Look at this. Oh my gosh. She is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I love her. Love all the butterflies. Okay. So on the top, like always, it says, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. And then it's got the legend on both sides. The legend is on the left side, on the upper left side. And it also has the legend on the bottom on the right side. Okay. And then on the bottom, it tells you, it shows you a picture. It tells you the name, Butterfly Beauty, 20 inches by 25 inches, which is 51 centimeters by 64 centimeters. And it's by Christina Lorre. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. She's a very young artist, talented artist, and her work is inspired by anime and Disney, but she also has her own style. Okay, and I believe this beautiful canvas has 50,853 diamonds or drills, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and the canvas, of course, is, like I said before, it's buttery. I call it buttery, and it's high quality, and it's poured glue. Okay, and it's also designed to prevent wrinkling and fraying. Okay, now let's look at this beautiful. Let's first peel this here. So see how sticky it is, and look how shiny and clear. My gosh, I just love Diamond Art Club, guys. All right, let's look at this beautiful girl. She has beautiful long wavy hair. Her skin tone is on the money, guys. It's just beautiful. Okay, and the beautiful butterflies, blue and pink, and her hand, the rendering is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, her face, her cheeks, those beautiful brown eyes. Oh my gosh, look at her hand. And that beautiful outfit she has on. And of course, all the butterflies fluttering all around her. And I love butterflies. Okay, let's pick her up so you can see her a little closer. Let's see, let's pick her this way so you can see her beautiful eyes and her face. Look how clear that is, guys. Yeah, she's gorgeous. She's stunning, gorgeous. I love her, love her. Okay, now let's look at the colors. Okay, as I mentioned before, it is all together, it is 43 colors. Okay, and so it's basically, and she has, let's see, anything under 150 is considered an AB. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs, and which is Aurora Borealis, which is like an extra shine to them. Okay. And let's see, so here you have, of course, the number of how many drills you have, the symbol on the canvas, and of course the color code, which is the DMC. All right, guys, so anything like number 1 in here, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are ABs. So let's see if I can find it. Well, 3 is here, so that's going to be, the white is going to be ABs on the butterfly. There's 3s here. Anything on her face? There's 2 here. That's going to be ABs. 1's on the butterfly. So it looks like it's going to be on the butterflies, mostly on the butterflies. But that doesn't mean that we cannot add ABs, guys. Oh, yes, we can. Extra ABs. So I don't know, maybe on her lips, on those beautiful lips. And where else? And of course, the butterflies already have ABs. So maybe some on her eyelashes. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. Okay. All right. So let's turn this baby around. And let's bring out the colors. Okay, guys. So I put all the colors down so you can see them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of 38.65. Okay, that's a lot of these. Now this must be the background. Okay, and then we have two of 310s, which is not a lot. And then we have blues, pinks, lots of pinks. This is like a very, very light blue, more blues, browns, red, purple, violet, grays. Absolutely beautiful colors, guys. And then here I separated the ABs. So here you have 125. Let's make this closer. I don't know if you can see that better with the light. Okay. And then you have 126 AB, which is like a purple. I think that's for the butterflies. And 127, which is like a very, very light peach. And 139, which is a beautiful gray. Look at that. It's like gray, but it's like sparkle like green. That's very pretty. Okay. Okay, and like I mentioned earlier, this is an AB, which is number 1, and it's like on the butterfly. And then the purple also around the butterfly, wherever you see number 2. Okay, and then 127 is number 3, also around the butterfly. And number 4, this beautiful number, I love this color, 139, it's around her hair. So number 4 here, she's got some here, so let's just put it here for now. Okay, she's absolutely gorgeous. I love her, vibrant colors, and the rendering is just absolutely gorgeous. I love everything about it. So thank you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Bye bye.